Howdy everybody, this is Kentucky Ranger. I just discovered something on YouTube and I'm getting ready to check it out for the first time. I thought I'd do a quick little how-to. I got my little webcam. Let's see, zoom in. Got my little cheapy $30 webcam sitting up here. And my not quite so cheapy microphone. And we're going to try this is a test run for Mondays with Mom Live tomorrow. And anyhow, down here in the laptop, there you can see me. And Cherie. Mom's not in here. But anyhow, once you get the camera set up and everything, we are going to try this. Hopefully it'll work. And I won't look stupid. If not, oh well, I'll try it again. But anyhow, this new feature for YouTube, it's pretty cool. Rob told me about this. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Anyhow, what you want to do is you go into your Creator Studio. See this Creator Studio. Open that up. And when you get this screen, sorry about the flicker. There's nothing I can do about it. It's shutter speed going on. Anyhow, then you click live streaming. Okay, click. Come on. Should have brought my mouse there. Okay. If you notice, shh. Well, apparently somebody's out there.
Perfect.
Anyhow, yeah, beautiful timing. Who is it? It must be Anna. Who is that?
I don't know, but if there's a car out there, I can hear it.
Yeah. If you look down here, it has your Stream Now event. Well, this new feature says camera. And excuse the dogs. I'm just going to leave that in. It's part of life. Anyhow, there we go. Okay, now it turns dark here. So, okay, I got my camera expert. She's holding the camera. Oh, I forgot to turn notification in. Well, I'll tell you what, this stupid thing. There. So it shows. Are you back far enough? Make sure you get the whole screen here.
Oh, the whole screen. I'm sorry.
Well, I mean
like
most
that?
of the screen, yeah. Okay, so it says live stream info. Well, this is going to be a test. So. Live stream test. Okay, so that's going to be the title. It's going to be public. More options. Let's see what we got. Channel direct. Okay, it's just a basic default integrated webcam. No, we don't want that. We want. Want the integrated webcam. Why isn't it showing? Oh, wait a minute. I probably have to close that. Let me refresh the page. Oh, now I'll have to do this again all over again. Oh, there's the camera. Okay. I see it now.
I'm trying to hold it steady, but I'm in a
okay,
bind,
well, no, what it was is I had the Logitech settings. See, and this is something people that are doing this maybe for the first time, they're having the same problem. You have to turn that settings window off before YouTube will, before their software lets you do your thing. So okay, now let's Mondays stream test. Okay, public, more options. Now it should show. Yeah, Logitech microphone is not. I want the Yeti microphone. Yeti. Come on, Yeti. Get in there. There we go. Advanced settings. I don't know what that. Allow chat. Age restriction. Okay, so that's everything's cool. have for a thumbnail. Maybe it's the next one has that. Anyhow, if you can see, you can see me behind there. So the camera's doing its thing, so it's already, it says next. Oh no, Cab's Evans live. Well, Cab, Ben, I'm only going to be on here for a minute, so I don't want to hone in on anybody. I was hoping nobody's going to be on. Okay, I click next. It should say, let's go live or whatever it says. Smile for a thumbnail. Yay. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'd say that's horrible.
That's cheesy. Oh, that is cheesy. I'll definitely be replacing that. Oh, let me see if I can make the chat window a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go.
That looks like, what in the world is she
That's
recording?
another thing, is if you want to make the window that you're looking at on any computer, I don't know how Apple works. This is a Windows computer. You hit the control button and hold it down, and then you show it on the keyboard. Get on the keyboard. And you click plus and minus, and that, okay, now go up to the screen a little bit. See, if you keep control pressed, you hit minus, see everything gets smaller. You hit plus, everything gets bigger. I want big text. Well, maybe not that big. I'll tell you what, I'll figure it out. Okay, there's the go live button. So as soon as I click this, it's all in or nothing. So here we go. Going live.
Am I live?
It says live.
Do I still need to record?
Yeah, for just a minute.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Hello?
here. Now let me grab the camera. Let me take control again. See up there, it's just like on a mobile phone or anything else. That's pretty cool. So, hey, I already got a thumbs up. RoboKitty, Rob, hey, how's everybody?
Well, I'm
Cheryl
not
Smith,
seeing...
or Cheryl Smith, good Lord. Cherie! I don't know what the audio sounds like though.
Why am I not seeing this on your... I'm on your page.
Because it delays, there's a delay.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to...
I didn't know that.
Let me get on here. This is another thing you do when you're streaming. If you're wanting to monitor, make sure the speaker's turned off, because if not, yeah, there it is. You'll, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it sounds pretty good.
I'm still not seeing it.
Cherie says hi, Cherie.
Hello?
Okay, so when I'm hearing in my headphone, the audio sounds good, so. Okay. So I'm gonna mute this. Well, actually, I'm gonna close that. Uh-oh.
I have to
I think
leave in
I'm
about
buffering.
5 minutes, so if I disappear, that's why.
Anyhow, I'm going to end this video. This is a how-to video on what's happening right now. Troy, hey, how you doing, Troy? Troy, Rob Ranger. K-Dog, everybody's in the house.
Hey, I know that there's a... Why am I still not seeing it?
I don't know, your mobile phone's acting up. I don't know, because anyhow, so I want to end this video, and this is going to be the how-to on how to use this new feature. It's pretty cool. I've got my webcam hooked up. It doesn't look too bad. Barbara, hey, how you doing, Barbara? So, so I'm going to end this. So, see y'all when I see y'all and I see y'all. Yeah, hopefully this is going to work. So, let me click off of this. Yeah. Anyhow, if you look at this, I mean, it's... Other than the chat all the time, it looks just like the mobile app. But that is so awesome. Anyhow, I'm missing. Yeah, Pup Tent Buggers Challenge. Okay. Anyhow, yeah, I just had to show one more little clip of that. And there you can see how many people's viewing and how many people's liking and all that other stuff. This is awesome. I like this. So anyhow, let me get off of this so that I can show you all what happens when you hit the end stream. Anyhow, yeah, I didn't want to get on here too awful long. I just want to make sure everything's working. You know, sort of a pre-trip. But anyhow, God bless. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there probably getting ready to go to church. So y'all be careful out on the roads. If it's snowing where you're at, be real careful. And anyhow, I'm gonna click end. So let's see. What time tomorrow? 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I think for you all that would be 5 p.m. in Texas. Goodbye, y'all. Yeah, bye, Troy. Oh Lord, all my little pop-ups are coming up now. Anyhow, I want to end this. This is just a little quickie. This is going to be cool tomorrow. This is really going to be cool. But yeah, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Cherie. So anyhow, I'm going to click end stream. So God bless everybody. We'll see y'all here at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Mama will be here, and the dogs will be here. Everybody will be here. So y'all take care, and we'll see you then. Bye. And are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Always has to ask if you're sure. I'm sure. There we go. Sundays with Mom live stream test. Oh, that's pretty cool. So there it goes. Playback's 32. I'm not sure what the analytics of the playbacks. Peak concurrence 13. Not real sure what that is. Oh, I didn't get any new subscribers. Oh well. See, this is kind of cool because it shows instant analytics. Total watch time 2 hours. Just off of that short little video. 14 minutes 45 seconds. I got 2 hours watch time. See, Rob, I don't understand. What's taking you so long to get your watch hours? Anyhow, this is really cool. So hope y'all this helps you out. I think this is really awesome. One other thing I need to add is you see this stream window. It's still live. If you watch, people are still commenting. The stream is not officially over until you close the window. You've got to close the window. If you don't close the window, it still thinks you're streaming. Now that's a glitch. I don't know, one of these days YouTube needs to do something about that. But anyhow, you have to close. Now it is officially done. So I just had to pop in and explain that real quick. So anyhow, God bless y'all. See you here at 6 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. And y'all take care. Bye.